Alright guys, so by the title of today's video, we're going to be learning how to powder coat. we're going to be powder coating some stuff for the Turbo Miata. Pretty generic powder coating system. I'll leave a link for it down below. I forgot the name of it. Bought it kind of a while ago, but just normal stuff. You canister, you throw it into the gun, and this is the color we're going to be doing. It's showing up pretty well on camera. It's a neon yellow, as you can see. Yeah, so it should be pretty easy. I got the compressor at like 25 psi ready for this, and we just plug this in, get it on the gun, put some electricity to it through this negative cable. We just put it to the thing that's going to go in the oven tray pretty much, and just start powder coating from there. So it's pretty easy. So let's get everything set up, get the parts out here, and start powder coating. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is a fairly light coat on there. You can kind of still see some of the old color. I didn't sandblast all the way off, but this is the neon yellow. That kind of helps it a little bit. You can kind of see the color a little bit more. So we're going to do this side now, put a heavier coat on it. You may be asking why I didn't tape any of this off. Probably one, because I don't have the high temp tape, and two, it doesn't really matter too much. Not really going to affect anything. And on the valve cover, yeah, it will, so I'm going to have to do something on that. But anyway, let's start applying the second coat and getting this powder coated 100% all the way done. Alright guys, so here is the turbo, pretty much all the way done. Looks pretty good, not too bad for the first time, but I did miss this spot, so I'm going to go around the back side of it and powder coat that, so it's complete and there's no missing spots. So it looks good in the engine bay and not all weird. So anyway, let's get right into this. Powder coating, it should be pretty easy, simple stuff again. So let's get this done, throw it back in the oven, and see how it looks 100% done. So here it is after the first coat, and it looks really good, but as you can see, you can still see some of the gray through it, like right here. So I'm gonna hit this with another coat. You can kind of see it here too. Do second coat on it and then throw it back in the oven. But other than that, it came out pretty good for a first coat. I did spray it kind of heavy, as you guys saw, but everything, still a learning process. My second piece powder coating, so I'm learning as I go. But some of the old paint that I missed while sandblasting, you can see through, or it is see-through through the neon. So yeah, that is something to look out for. Just make sure your piece is completely clean. And I don't know what that is. I actually think that's old paint too. Yeah, well, time for the second coat on the GoPro and see how this turns out. Before I let you guys go, I just want to ask you a quick question on what color we should paint the engine bay because of the now neon parts. I'm on the fence between a gray or a purple, but if you have any other color suggestions, doesn't really matter if it matches with the neon or whatever, drop them down below, because it'd be good to know so I can paint it or get done that much faster. Anyway, alright guys, well here is the powder coated piece on the turbo. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's a bit dirty because I was putting it on. The turbo's still oily, I guess. It should look pretty cool in the engine bay. And there it is. You know, spinning in there. No issue at all, surprisingly. So this will be sweet to throw in. And I got the valve cover here. Still needs to be put on. It's getting pieced back together here and there with pieces. Gotta do some gaskets for the inside. Gotta make those with some like RTV or whatever. And we did get block back. I mean, it's sitting kind of weird right now. I gotta get the engine standing here, but as you can see, cylinder walls are pretty good, but we'll save most of this and the building of it for the next video. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed today's powder coating video. It took a few days to make, actually, because of time and whatever, figuring out how to lay it down properly, wet sanding it, letting it cure, the final coats on, and making it look 100% perfect for when the Miata's all done and ready to go. So catch you guys in the next video, probably with the engine build or transmission tearing out of the Miata still and whatever else. So until then, goodbye.